So here's how you can add a photo to your iPad widget. Let me explain how it works. If it's your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So you probably noticed that we have the ability to hold it down on the home screen, add widget, and choose the built-in Photos app. So you can see that we have the ability to literally just bring over the widget, but there are like different types of the widgets. You can scroll through like 7 or 8 types of the widgets. But the point is that you don't want to pick the featured, which are like the first 4, but instead you want to click and select the album, which are the last 4, right? So you can pick any size that you want, right? So let's say I'm going to pick the largest one or whichever one I like. And when you add it to the home screen, you can see that you get to decide which album it's going to be, right? So you can see that we get to pick the album and choose, for example, the favorites, or any of your existing albums can be selected. So if you don't really have the photos ready in any of the albums, all we have to do is just to set up one. So just go to the photos, tap on the collections and find albums, and literally start a new album where you basically name it however you want, and I decided that this is the photo which is going to appear on the widget on the home screen, right? So you can pick here whichever photo you want, then you return back to the widget, to the home screen, and you hold down on it to perform edit and pick that particular album. This gives us the direct way to pick our photos for the home screen, and we can stick with the built-in Photos app and the built-in widgets, so no third-party apps are installed, and it actually works well if you ask me. So yeah, that is what I wanted to show you in this video. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future videos as well.